Alright, so we have the DQ6 versus the Blon 03 now in our sound test comparison. The DQ6 are really interesting because you have a 3-driver system and 3 dynamic drivers at that. And yeah, when I reviewed it, it's one of my favorite for a KZ type of sound. But of course, we have the Blon 03. And if you want to get either of these, use my links down in the description below. It will help out the channel a lot. So let's start the sound test now.
Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.